Have you ever tried to work when your mind felt cloudy and everything looked twice as long? That feeling can make you doubt yourself. You might think you are lazy, but often it's not laziness. It is low or unstable energy. The simple idea here is this: work when your energy feels steady, not when it feels forced. Steady energy does not mean excited. It does not mean super motivated. It simply means your mind feels calm enough to focus for a short while. Let's break this into small, clear parts. First, forced energy feels tight. Your shoulders might feel tense. Your thoughts might feel scattered. You might sigh a lot. Second, steady energy feels neutral. Not amazing, not terrible, just steady. Your breathing feels normal. You can read a sentence and understand it. Third, energy changes during the day. Morning, afternoon, evening, it shifts. That is normal. For example, if you sit down to write and your head feels heavy and you keep checking your phone, that may be forced energy. If you sit down and you can read a paragraph without resistance, that may be steady energy. The reason this matters is simple. When you work with steady energy, even small tasks feel lighter. When you work against your energy, small tasks feel huge. So here is the gentle flow we will use. First, pause and notice how your energy feels. Next, write one clear sentence about it. Then, choose one small action that matches that energy. This flow works because it slows you down just enough to see clearly. Instead of reacting, you are observing. Instead of pushing, you are choosing. In simple words, notice, name, match. We are not adding rules. We are creating a schedule. We are simply learning to notice and respond wisely. If this idea helped you see your energy more clearly and you want me to guide you through the full step-by-step version where I explain everything slowly with real examples, you can take the whole class free for a month using my link below. It continues right from here so you don't lose your momentum. And you'll also get access to thousands of other creative classes for a month, including productivity, focus, drawing, and other beginner-friendly skills. Before you go, feel free to leave a quick comment and share how your energy usually feels during the day, because your comment helps more beginners discover this video. And you're always welcome to ask any question. Thank you so much for watching. If this brought you a little clarity, you can gently like the video, share it with someone who might need a calmer way to work, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.